Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to enable Gemini Assistant in Android. Open Settings, then tap Google to find Assistant settings, and ensure voice match is enabled. Grant microphone permission when prompted and set up your voice model for hands-free access. Choose default language and assistant voice from the menu, then test with a wake phrase or by holding the home button for a quick confirmation. Start by opening app permissions in Settings and choose microphone and location for Gemini to function correctly. Next, enable notification access so the assistant can surface timely suggestions, reminders, and commute updates. Finally, allow background activity so the assistant can listen for the wake phrase and deliver hands-free help even when your screen is locked or apps are minimized. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the book The Simple Path to Wealth can change how you think about money, and it pairs oddly well with tech that saves time and stress. Check the description for the link and other deals, pick it up if you want a useful read, and now let's get back to the video. Customize Gemini by picking a voice and setting speech speed so responses sound natural to you. Create routines that trigger multiple actions, like turning on lights and giving weather as you leave home. Connect music, maps, and smart home apps to let Gemini play tunes, start navigation, or control devices with one command for a smoother daily experience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.